Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at Docusign. Before then, let me have my coffee. I like the smell of coffee. Docusign is one of those stocks, one of those businesses that actually did extremely well during the lockdown, before the lockdown and during the lockdown, but then whether people, now that people are back in the office, we are back to normalcy. I'm not sure the strategy or the business strategy of DocuSign still resonates with a lot of company. However, it doesn't mean they are not still using it, but they are. But whether he's going to continue at that pace is a different thing. We all know that most of the businesses that thrive during the lockdown are no longer doing so again. The likes of Zoom, the likes of PayPal, the host of them. Check the ARK investment. You would see a lot of them there. Anyway, they declare their revenue and earnings. I mean, they beat their revenue slightly, and they missed on the EPS. However, that doesn't say But one thing you should know is that the stock is already down pre-market. But let's have a look at DocuSign. Earnings transcript. Let's see the finances, and let's have a look at the technical chart. Let's see what we can get from price action. Let's have a look. Here are some key fundamentals of DocuSign. The previous close was 57.28. The market cap is 11.90.05 billion. The P ratio is not available at the moment. EPS is negative. Docusign is not paying dividend at the moment. It is still relatively in the new stocks. And let's go straight to the financials. Let's see how it has been performing. The income statement here from 2019. Here, since 2019 is 700,000. 2020 is 973,000. 1.453 million, it's between 2021 and 2022. You can see the significant growth that was during the lockdown. It was huge, and trailing 12 month is 2,107. Cost of revenue is also significantly increased between the 2 years. Gross profit is 1.640. Operating expense is also very high, compared to other previous years. Let's have a look at the balance sheet. Let us see um, their total liability. Here, I'm interested in their total liability, and here is 2,265,762. So this is the total liability. But then look at the total asset. From 2019, it has also increased up to 2022. That's the end of first quarter 2022. Let's have a look at the cash flow. Let's see how liquid uh, they are. On the cash flow here, we want to see the free cash flow. Okay, as you can see, the free cash flow is stated here to be 445,000. Obviously, is a significant increase um, from the last 2 3 years. You can see 45,000, 43,000, 214, and now you have 445,000 as free cash flow, which is an increase. But it is where the company wants to be. Is this what you want to invest in? Let's have a look at the technical chart. Let us see if we can get more information from the price action. And technically, we might get, might actually see all this information in a chart. We would tell us the direction things are going. I can see a lot of negative stuff, negative here. Let's have a look at the chart. Here is the technical chart for Docusign. Docusign is one of those ARK investment stock. ARK investment was one of those investment houses that actually invested a lot on the stock. The stock was part of the lockdown sensation stocks, the stocks that did extremely well during lockdown. However, whether they have been able to diversify or manage their
success then, but I wouldn't know. But on the chart, it doesn't look well. The chart has been trending down over the last 1 year or so, ever since the all-time high. As you can see, it declared the earnings, and I mean, it beat revenue but missed earning, and it was a gap down. Gap down meaning that one way or the other, there will be a time that this gap has to be filled back up. But as you can see, this trend, it has been trending down. Let's have a look at it on the weekly chart. The weekly chart has shown it was the all-time high as at 314 here, and then let's see what it has dropped from the all-time high to date. It has dropped over 78%. You see, one of those stocks uh, is actually trading below 20-day moving average. Let's have a look at it on a daily chart again. It's trading below 20-day moving average. The stock actually closed $87 last night, and the beginning of the market is open now today, 10th of June. It has dropped, about $18 or so, which is about 20%, $69. Guys, you need to be careful on this stock. Let's have a look at the analyst rating and other um, information about these stocks. The analyst rating over time, you can see. Um, I, I won't take any of this analyst rating as anything serious. It's just for the information of it. They can always be wrong. They are always wrong, often wrong, but they tell you this is outperform in line, neutral underperform. If you go through this, you will be wondering then what kind of rating were they doing? Who didn't saw that the price was going to come under $100. Anyway, this is at your own peril. I don't advise you take anything here serious. Let's go back on the chart. As you can see, it's trading under $70 today.
You've seen the technical chart for Docusign. You have seen the finances. Please do not just add these stocks to your portfolio without you carrying out proper valuation. There are a lot of metrics online. You can check Google Focus. You can check. You can check Money Stars. There are a lot of ways you can do these things. Do not just add stocks to your portfolio because you watch a video on a YouTube channel. I don't have Docusign in my portfolio. We don't have it on any of our funds at Elite Pro Investment Management. But then, do your own valuation. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for subscribing. We'll continue to support your investment journey with our videos. Thank you.